What is the output of this loop? We set sum equal to 0 and I equal to 0. As long as I is less than 5, the loop will run, and we're going to increment I by 1 each time. So, the first time through the loop, sum is 0 and I is 0. So, sum is going to be equal to 0 plus 0. So, that's going to be 0. Then I is going to become 1. So, sum will become 0 plus 1. So, it'll become 1. Then I will become 2. So, sum will become 1 plus 2, which is 3. Then I is going to be 3. So, 3 plus 3 will give us 6. Then I will be 4. And so 6 plus 4 is going to give us 10. Then when I is 5, the loop breaks. So it's going to print 10. The answer is A.